Hi everyone, welcome back to Teju's Healthy Eats. Busy mornings, back-to-back meetings, school runs, doctor appointments, life can feel non-stop. But even on those jam-packed days, I still want my family's first meal of the day to be quick and full of protein. And that's why I love yogurt bowls. They take just a few minutes to put together, no cooking, no prep, and they feel indulgent. Almost like dessert for breakfast, but with the nutrition to keep you energized and full. Today, I'm sharing 3 delicious high-protein yogurt bowls you can make in a jiffy. Let's get started. For the Tiramisu Yogurt Bowl, I start by making a quick coffee decoction. Just mix 1 teaspoon of instant coffee, 1 teaspoon of monk fruit sugar, and a splash of hot water and whisk until smooth and well combined. In a bowl, I stir together non-fat skyr. Skyr is incredibly high in protein, thicker than Greek yogurt, and has a creamy texture that makes the recipe feel indulgent, almost like dessert. It's also naturally lower in lactose, which can make it easier to digest for some people. Vanilla and a drizzle of maple syrup. Mix the flavors together until well combined. Then I fold in the coffee mixture gently to create a marble effect. So every bite has that perfect balance of creamy skyr and rich coffee flavor. Finally, I top it with crunchy granola, raw cacao nibs, and a dusting of cacao powder. This bowl gives you about 35 grams of protein in under 300 calories with very little fat. Dessert-like in taste but light, satisfying, and perfect for staying on track with health and fitness goals. For the matcha bowl, I went with the plant-based Greek-style yogurt. This one is for anyone who wants to keep things dairy-free or lactose-free, but still enjoy a protein boost. It's also a great way to show how plant-based options can be just as filling and satisfying. For the matcha yogurt bowl, I start by mixing plant-based Greek-style yogurt with vanilla. I'm also adding in a little monk fruit sugar. Then I stir in high-quality matcha powder until smooth, creating a creamy marble swirl. I add fresh strawberries, sprinkle unsweetened coconut flakes, add in some diced pistachios, and drizzle just a touch of honey on top. If you're enjoying these quick and healthy ideas, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you can never miss more easy, protein-packed recipes for your busy days. This bowl comes in at around 24 grams of protein and 235 calories. It's rich in antioxidants, dairy-free, and has a creamy mousse-like texture. Perfect if you're looking for a lactose-free, plant-based breakfast or snack that still delivers protein and energy. And for something light and refreshing, let's make the lemon blueberry yogurt bowl. And for the lemon blueberry bowl, I chose non-fat Greek yogurt. It's tangy, creamy, and really refreshing. Plus, it's high in protein and a classic base most of us have in our fridge already. Here, I stir together non-fat Greek yogurt with vanilla and some monk fruit sugar. Then I fold in the lemon zest for that bright, zesty flavor. All the 3 bowls are already high in protein as they are. But if you want to make them even more filling for weight loss or turn them into a post-workout meal, just add a scoop of your favorite clean protein powder to boost the protein by another 15 to 20 grams. Finally, I top it with juicy blueberries and a sprinkle of crushed pistachios for crunch. This one is the leanest of the 3, with about 28 grams of protein in just over 200 calories. Tangy, refreshing, and the perfect weight loss friendly option for busy mornings. You can use any natural sweetener of your choice in these bowls. Maple syrup, honey, monk fruit, or stevia. Just keep in mind the sugar content, calories, and quantities you're using. I'll share a small chart here so you can see the differences. I'm showing you these 3 bowls with different yogurt bases because yogurt bowls are so versatile. Some days I use Skyr for extra protein, sometimes plant-based Greek yogurt to keep it dairy-free, and other times just regular non-fat Greek yogurt for that tangy, creamy taste. Honestly, I just mix and match with whatever's in my fridge and change up the toppings. It keeps things fun, tasty, and never boring. So there you have it. 3 quick, no-cook yogurt bowls that you can throw together in just minutes. They're customizable, flavorful, and give you that indulgent, dessert-like feeling while still being great for your health and fitness goals. I would love to know which one of these flavors would you try first? And what's your favorite way to boost protein in your breakfast? Drop your ideas in the comments. I always love hearing your tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.